Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and opening the right tools. First, make a quick export of mail, contacts, and calendar so you can restore if needed. Once done, sign out of other Microsoft accounts and close Outlook. Then disable add-ins via File Options Add-ins to avoid interference. This prevents extensions from reintroducing old settings. Make sure to note your account server settings because you will re-enter them after the reset. You now perform the core reset actions. Open Control Panel, choose Mail, and create a new profile. Set it to prompt so you can test. Next, run Outlook. EXE with switches like /resetNavPane and /cleanViews to clear navigation and custom views. These commands remove corrupt UI state. Then locate and rename existing OSD/PSD files so Outlook rebuilds mail caches. Finally, add your account to the new profile and allow a full sync so content repopulates. You're finishing by restoring personal touches and resolving issues. Recreate signatures, rules, quick steps, and re-enable add-ins one at a time to confirm stability. Once everything syncs, verify calendar sharing and folder permissions. If problems remain, run Office Repair from Apps Modify and sign into Outlook Web App to confirm server-side settings. One troubleshooting tip: if sync or authentication fails, clear cached credentials in Credential Manager and restart Windows before testing again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.